Hello guys, my name is Safinatun and I am a student of the Law Study Program at University Jenderal Sudirman with name E1A025205 Class C. And today I am presenting this video as my final project for the English for Law course. Under the guidance of Mr. Karyadi and Mrs. Nisa, I will be analyzing one of the most controversial criminal cases in Indonesian history, the Cyanide coffee case, involving Jessica Kumala Wongso and Wayat Mirna Salihin. What becomes the background of the case is the tragic death of Wayat Mirna Salihin on January 6, 2016. The case started when Jessica Wongso invited her friends, Mina and Hani, to meet at Olivier Cafe, Jakarta. Jessica arrived early and ordered a Vietnamese iced coffee for Mirna. And shortly after taking a sip, Mirna suffered a seizure and passed away. The main issue is whether the defendant's action constitute negligence or, more severely, premeditated murder under civil and criminal law. The prosecution argued that Jessica intentionally spiked the drink with sodium cyanide, while the defense claimed there was no direct evidence to prove this. The applicable legal norm in this case is Article 340 of the Indonesian Criminal Code or KUHP, which defines premeditated murder. Under this statutory framework, for a person to be convicted, the prosecution must prove three cumulative elements. 1. Intent, the desire to cause death. 2. Premeditation, a calm period where the perpetrator planned the execution. And 3. Execution, the actual act that led to the death, according to Article 340. The maximum penalty is death or life imprisonment. In this case, the judges also considered Article 338 regarding murder in general. The court's reasoning was strong in establishing intent by looking at Jessica's behavior, such as placing paper bags to hide the coffee from CCTV view. However, the judgment appeared to be flawed because the authorities failed to properly address the missing evidence, specifically the trousers Jessica wore that day, which were never found. From a legal standpoint, this case is highly controversial because it relies on circumstantial evidence. The judges correctly applied the law based on their conviction, keyakinan hakim. But many legal experts argue that without an eyewitness or clear footage of the poisoning, the beyond a reasonable doubt standard was not fully met. Personally, I agree that while the suspicious behavior was evident, the lack of a full autopsy makes the cause of death legally debatable. Furthermore, we cannot ignore the massive impact of public opinion and media coverage on this trial. It was the first trial by press in Indonesia that was broadcasted live nationally. Back then in 2024, we saw a shift in public perception following a popular documentary that questioned the trial's fairness. The fact that Jessica was granted parole on August 18, 2024 does not mean the case is closed. Her legal team is currently filing for a judicial review or peninjauan kembali (PK) to the Supreme Court. They are introducing new evidence or novum in the form of CCTV footage that was allegedly hidden during the original trial. This shows that in law, the search for material truth never truly ends until every legal avenue is exhausted. I hope this analysis provides a clear insight into the complexities of the Cyanide coffee case from a legal standpoint. This project has helped me understand that law is not just about statutes and articles, but also about the interpretation of evidence and the pursuit of justice. So that concludes my video presentation for the English for the Law final project. I would like to express my gratitude to my instructors, Mr. Karyadi and Mrs. Nisa, for the guidance throughout this semester. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to your feedback. Have a great day, everyone. Goodbye.